So guys, attention please. Today's video is really important for everyone, especially for beginners. This video is going to be about how to find and try points. It's also one of the most popular questions from you guys. And it's really good that you ask this question, because if you will try a good and right and try points, you will definitely close a trade in a plus. And how to do it, you will know from this video, so watch it till the end. So guys, here is our pocket option account. And as I told you, today I will show you what you need to do before entering the trades, what you need to analyze and to see to find a good and try point. So firstly, I turn on the indicators parabolic SAR in super trend. I already have the videos about this, and this strategy is a little bit different because I will show you different situations. So parabolic SAR in super trend is actually really good at showing support and resistance level. You can see the support level from the super trend indicator right now. So that's why I opened a buy trade here for 1 minute for $670. So by the super trend, we can see here the support level, and from the parabolic SAR, this green points above our chart, we can see the resistance levels. It's pretty obvious here. Some of the people would think that it's gonna be the continuation of the downward trend here because it didn't achieve the lowest point of the chart that was achieving before, but actually support level here is different, so that's why it should be a reversal here. Also, if we will take a look at the previous candle on the chart, we can see that the body there of the candle is pretty small and the shadows is pretty big. So it means like the sellers were trying to go lower, but they couldn't. And that's why we see this big shadow of the previous candle. And as you can see, this candle is behaving the same way right now. So it's 5 seconds to the end of a trade. 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at this. We close this trade in a plus, guys. Okay, perfect. And as you can see now, this candle is reversing again. It's really big shadow. So here it could be the continuation of the lateral movement right now, so it's not really good chart to keep trading, and I want to show you more examples, so we will find something else. So the next indicator is gonna be zigzag. I also had the videos about this, but I should mention it here as well because not so many people is actually using it the way you can use it. So when we see that the zigzag line is crossing our candles, it could show us a really strong trend. So here we can see it's pretty strong downward trend, and the zigzag line already crossed the candle, so that's why I opened here trades down for 1 minute as well. You can trade only with longer time of the expiration, for example 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, but I prefer to trade on the shorter time of the expiration, so that's why. And I just want to show you more situations as well. And actually here we can see that our chart already achieved the support level. We can see it by the super trend again, and it even went lower, so our price just broke the support level and now it's creating a new one. So in 1 minute, I'm sure we're gonna close this trade. As you can see, the downward trend is going pretty well. For example, for 4 minutes, I would not open a trade here because it could reverse if we will open it for 4 or 5 minutes, for example. But for short time of the expiration is absolutely perfect timing, so it's 2 seconds, 1, and we closed this trade as well, guys. It was really easy. So let's find another situation right now. We also gonna turn the MACD indicator, and I'm gonna show you how you can analyze the trades by this. So here we can see actually for the last 3 candles some kind of the lateral movement. So it means like the price is literally moving at the same place in the same diapason, and it's not going upward or downward, it's just going like this. And you can see it for the last like 3 candles. Also we can see that the previous candle, the green one, was trying to go higher, but we can see a pretty big shadow. It just went lower again, and now we can see some pretty strong red candles. And also here the volatility is pretty strong, so it's not really good for us. And also on the MACD indicator, we can see that it's already the previous 2 pin bars. As you can see, it's always fluctuating and it's always mixing. So the previous pin bars is green, so it's still like not the reversal, but at the same time it's already the support level, so it's not good. And guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking this is so difficult, I would never do it by myself, I have a solution for you. I have my own Telegram channel with absolutely free signals on pocket option. Everything you need to do is literally click on 2 buttons, buy and sell. You don't need a lot of the experience in trading, or for example economic degree, you just need to learn how to follow my signals, and actually that's it. I also have a test trading session every week in my main channel, so you can test my signals to see how it's working and if it's working or not. You know what to do. The link will be in the description of this video, and let's keep trading. So we're just gonna find another situation. So for example, here we can clearly see support and resistance levels, but at the same time, it's still like some lateral movement going on here. So also one of the important thought that you need to understand, if you see lateral movement like this, it's better to wait to see where the price will go, or just to change the chart, because it's really hard to trade on this kind of charts. Because for example, now I would open here a trade in a downward direction, but at the same time it's fluctuating here a lot. So before entering a trade, first thing that you need to notice is consistent upward or downward trend, because when you will choose the consistent chart with upward or downward trend, you have the possibility to close the trade in like 60-70%. If you will choose the chart with a big volatility, with lateral movement, with flat, with absence of the trend, it's going to be really hard for you to close a trade. So here now we're waiting for a little bit. As we can see, our chart reversed. We just waited, and now I think I'm gonna open here a buy trade for 1 minute as well, because as we can see, the line of the zigzag already crossed our candles, and it's pretty good sign, first of all. Second of all, the last pin bars on MACD is with the green color, and also they are above the zero level, so it's pretty good sign. Also, the lines of MACD crossed each other and going up in the same direction, and also the lines crossed the pin bars of MACD, so it's also pretty good sign. But now here we also gonna open a rollover, so that's how we will add more time to our trade, another 1 minute, because here as you can see it fluctuates a lot. It's actually pretty difficult situation, but I want to show you also, you know, different examples, because you can face a lot of them on the market, and sometimes you just don't have, because sometimes you don't have the opportunity to choose a chart with the consistent upward or downward trend. So that's why you need to, you know, work with what you have. So that's what we're doing right now. So it's 1 minute 3 seconds right now. As you can see, I opened the rollover, and I have another 1 minute for closing a trade. So that's how we just have more time to close this trade, and we have the time for our price to reverse, like in this kind of a situation. As you can see now, it's going pretty well, but also we double our amount of money per trade. So the trade is still at the same entry point, so it's really good for us, like it didn't change, but at the same time we have more time, so it's reversing in the direction that we actually need. So yeah, from the super trend, we also have here a buy signal. From the parabolic chart as well, we can see 2 green points below our chart moving from bottom to top, so it's not a great buy signal. So it's 10 seconds till the end of a trade. Let's see what we're gonna have, but I'm sure we're gonna close it in the plus. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. We close this trade, guys. Perfect. As you can see, actually I think it's gonna go even higher here till the previous resistance level, and after that it's gonna reverse here. But we're gonna change this situation to another one so I can show you something else. As you can see, here's a new candle up here. It's going in the downward direction, so here it is. So what we can see here, it was a downward trend before, then the upward trend, it creates a new resistance level. We can see it by the super trend and parabolic as well. Then it went lower till the support level, but then we can see some lateral movement here. So now I'm actually waiting for this candle that's going on right now, the green candle, to achieve the highest point of the previous red candle. I also changed the time to 2 minutes, and then I will open a trade. So it's going to be a really good entry point, because now I think this chart is going in lateral movement more. It's not going to be a reversal here, so that's why I'm going to open the sell trade right now for 2 minutes here. Also for 2 minutes, so that's how we have more time for this trade to reverse in just case. So yeah. But here we can see from the parabolic star, we have the sell signal. We can see that the green points is above our chart and moving from top to bottom. Also, super trends indicator is giving us a sell signal. You can see it by this red line. And literally super trend is just like texting us a signal sell. From the zigzag indicator, we still cannot see the signal because it's just moving on the on the previous candles. It's still not here, as you can see. But also on the MACD indicator, we can see that the two lines of MACD crossing each other and going lower and lower and lower. And it's 1 minute 10 seconds till the end of a trade. As you can see, it reversed in a different direction, and it's almost at our support level. It could even break our level. Oh, here it is. Here it is. You can see that the zigzag is just moved, and now it's almost crossing our candles. So it's pretty good for us, and that means that we opened a trade at a good entry point. So yeah, before entering a trade, you should definitely analyze the previous movement of the chart, how the price was fluctuating, moving. It was a downward trend, upward trend. You need to see a candlestick patterns as well. I had the video about this. So before entering a trade, you also should wait to be sure that it's going to be the continuation of the downward trend or maybe reversing in the upward direction. So here we can see that we did a pretty good decision. It's 20 seconds till the end of a trade. We can see also the last pin bars in MACD is red and they are below the zero level. So it's another great sell signal. So you need to put the attention on everything that you see. So guys, it's 3 seconds till the end of a trade, 2, 1. And we also close this trade, guys. Absolutely great. So don't miss your chance to change your life in 2025. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram as well. And I see you on the next trading sessions. Bye-bye.